This is the newly modernized elevator at Porter Hall at Carnegie Mellon University in Squirrel Hill North, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old freight elevator. It was replaced by Dover with the Dover Oildraulic with traditional fixtures in 1982. But now, just this year and just under a few days ago, it was modernized industrial commercial Innovation Universal.
Going down.
So those original door tracks there, which is kind of interesting. There's Adam. Gonna be level. Panel's still inside. Here we go. Here we go.
Floor B.
Got the two. And here we go.
Floor 2.
Back on one. Oh, accidentally hit the green. Oh well. It's a basic stainless steel cab. It was redone. It was originally a painted metal cab. It has this LED strip fixture though. Like one. It's a new motor, but it gives vibes of the old motor though, which I like. The old motor kind of has rumbling noise.
Floor 1. Going down.
Here, close this and that's gonna be it.